Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. It's a cold, bright day here, but very chilly, so I've put my granny square wrap on, which I've got the tutorial for, and it's really nice and warm. It keeps my back and my shoulders nice and warm. So today you're thinking, what you going to be talking about today? Well, today I'm going to be talking about something that I purchased from LoveCrafts here in the UK. I've not purchased off them for a while, so sorry about the crinkle. Let's get my scissors. Oh, wondered what was on the bag. And let's get this opened. So I hope everybody's well, guys. Not long now, is it, till the man in the red suit comes and visits. So I went on to, you know, I do my giveaways and that, and I do a giveaway for crocheters, and I do my sock giveaway when I do needles. So I needed some hooks because I always give notions away. So I was able to go on and I purchased some hooks at a really good price. So these are Deramores. Now Deramores is no more. Deramores, all Deramores products now are on LoveCrafts. So I think I got 5 4mm and I got 5 5mm. So yeah, so they're going to be in the giveaways for next year, because I always like to give yarn and notions. So I think I got 5 of each. I'm sure there's more in here. Oh yeah. Or did I get 6? Hold on. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh no, I got 6 of each, so that's one for every month. So I got them, so they're going to be in the giveaways for next year. You know me, guys, I always plan ahead. And then I bought some, these are going to go in the giveaways, the sock yarn giveaways. These are Style Crafts Head Over Heels, and this is Promenade. So I've got 2 of them. So these are going to be giveaways for my sock yarn giveaway, because I want everybody to make socks, whether you crochet them or knit them, and share with me, and I can, you know, do a video at the end of every month and give a shout out to everybody who emails me their socks, and it shows you how it knits up, which is really cool. And so let's see what this is. Right, it's 75% superwash wool, 25% polyamide, 396 meters, 433 yards, and it's 100 grams. And there's more than enough in one skein to make a pair of socks, guys. So I've got 2 of them. And then for myself, I got some King Cole Summer. And it's this lovely shades of blues and turquoise and whites, greys. It's really nice. And this is called Sea Breeze, guys, and I think it was on sale if I'm not mistaken. So I think I got 7 of these. 2 4 5. Oh yeah, I did. I got 7. I think I got the last 7. So this is going to be a summer top, and it's a finger weight, and it is it's made in Turkey under license for King Cole Limited, skipped in UK. Reason I bought it, guys, is it's 55% bamboo, 37% cotton, 8% PBT, and there's 492 yards, 450 meters, and I've got plenty there to make a twin set, which is I'm sure you know, which is a cardigan, and I might do a sleeveless sweater to go with it. So, and so yeah, so I've got to decide on the pattern, but I've got plenty there. I know from my cardigans, I usually use about 450 grams, and then I've got 250 grams then to make a nice sleeveless sweater to go under the cardigan. So yeah guys, so that is what I purchased, and I think that's it. No freebies in there. So guys, that is what do you think? Can you recommend a nice twin set pattern for using finger weight yarn on Ravelry? Do you know if there's one? And what do you think of the sock yarn? I think it's quite nice, but I really do like them, guys. What do you think? I'm really into my blues, and mind you, purple's my favourite colour anyway, guys, but I'm really into my blues at the moment. Maybe because I'm feeling blue, hey? Maybe because I'm feeling blue. All from me for today. As I always say, thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, for leaving the thumbs up, for subscribing, for all your comments, your support. And I thank you all so very, very much. So take care, stay safe, but as I always say, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.